Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchy. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchases on a TTM return. It will going to be a video with variety stuff. Let's go. My first purchase, it's a 2021 Then and Now. I love those insert on that. It's Johnny Bench and Freddie Freeman. I love this insert series, and the number is, or maybe not, is 7, and I like a lot this card. Okay, next, now I will show you my TTM return. This is, I know which player sent me because it's Esther. I would love that it's one Devin Esther, but it's not Devin Esther. And I hide this because he put his address. I don't know if it's his address or where he work. But anyway, let's go. I will open this. For some clue, he was a former running back. He was at the LSU for the college. He won the national football title. I think it was in 2007. And this is, what is it? This? What it put on? Oh, nice. He put on something nice. And the player is Jacob Esther. Thanks a lot, sir. I sent my card to a radio because now he's a radio commentator. I think of course he comments the LSU game. And oh, thanks a lot, Mr. Jacob Esther. I just thinking it was my card or no, I don't remember, but thanks a lot. I will just look in the letter if he put something other or something other thing. This is the letter of Jacob. Okay, no, he said, okay. That's great. Thanks a lot, Mr. Jacob Esther. He was a running back, fullback, very good with LSU. After about the NFL, it was more difficult, but that's great. Oh, I love the looking of the card. That's great. Okay, I will show you a purchase. It's come from a French seller, and it's very interesting. It's a photo. Maybe just put a little bit. Okay, it's a photo. It is very interesting because in the back of the photo is it's right in French, but it's a football game, scholar football game. Maybe it must to be a college or at the USA. Distribute. I don't know the name in English, but give something. It's not give, but okay. By the American Service of Information, and the logo is USES. United States Information Service or something like this, and I have no clue about the place of this game or even about the teams. If somebody get an information, you can put a comment about this because one time maybe I say, oh, is it the Washington Redskins? But I don't know. I must to be NCA college, but if you have a clue about the stadium, about the team, but of course it will go in very difficult because we not see the color uniform. Maybe about the helmet, maybe it must to be a game in the 50, maybe 40. I don't know, or 16 or maybe 50 or 40, I don't know. That is great. And now I will show you what there is not some big deal, but I purchased in a local store a box of NBA stickers 2020 and 2021. I purchased it because I just get the TV cable and now I am able to watch some NBA game and I get some pleasure to watch the playoff, the current playoff, the final of conference, of course. And that's the binder. I was a big NBA fan, but it was in the 90s and the player was Michael Jordan, Sean Kemp, Scott Pippen, Clyde Drexler, Magic Johnson, Larry Bird at the end of the career. And of course, I don't know many players, but anyway, I will get some pleasure to watch some NBA game and put the stickers. That it's nice. And what I purchased, it's nothing about sport for this, but it's a Jurassic Park. I am a picker and I'm definitely a collector, and I will see what I will pull. Of course, I love it to watch the original Jurassic World movie. Principally, of course, the first movie, because it was very original, and that is great. That's some stickers. That is some stickers about Tour de France. That it's about cycling, one of the most famous cycling race. And there is some stickers, and maybe they get also some card by, okay, another Tour de France, okay. On my last purchase, it's about some die cast, because I collecting everything, and maybe I will just put a little bit like this. That it's a Hot Wheel 5-pack, and it's about Corvette. I don't know all the casting of the, but my favorite is this. I don't know the name. That it's a European version pack, and you haven't got the name at the back, not like the North American version. Okay, that I like to collecting also die cast. And my last is a fantasy purchase. I like also the fantasy about Hot Wheels. Not all fantasy, but some are nice. And sometimes it's funny to get. I get a 6-line track Hot Wheel. I don't know, 6-line, and it's very down off the hill, and it's very funny to put some car. It's not like this. I will show you. This is the name of this is, it's a Cosmic Coupe, okay, and I will show you. I find this in when I just open a box in my and I find that it's a Ford 49, and I love this casting on the color. That is great. Thank you for watching. All the best. Bye bye.